Hi everyone, let's learn a new topic of prefix and suffix. In this video, we will learn the basic difference between both of them. Let's start up with the prefix. Now, what is a prefix? A prefix is a group of letters that you put at the beginning of a word. Before understanding this definition, let's make me one thing clear that prefix we always fix at the beginning of the word. Pre. So it will come at the first place. In this, a word is given to you and you have to fix a group of letters at the beginning of that word, and after joining them you get a new word, but make sure that you are fixing those letters at the beginning of the word. So let's revise again. A prefix is a group of letters that you put at the beginning of a word. It always added at the beginning of a word, and by adding them every time you get a new word. Like write. The word write is given and you add the prefix re, then you get a new word. Rewrite means you have to write it again. Number 2, kind, add un and a new word unkind is there. Made, pre-prefix, then new word would be pre-made. Next, honest, add the prefix dis and the word is dishonest. Polite, add the prefix im and the new word is impolite. Sense, add prefix non, new word nonsense. And behave, misbehave. In these examples, you can easily see that I'm adding the words at the beginning of the word. So some more examples. In this, the word is annual and a new word by fixing a prefix we get biannual. Then stance and we are adding a prefix circum and a new word circumstance is there. Code, decode, sense, nonsense, worker, co-worker, agree, disagree, circular, extracircular, crypt, encrypt, brace, embrace, seed, exceed. So you can easily see that in this the words are given to us and I have fixed some letters at the beginning, and by fixing that I'm getting new words. Some more examples like economics. Macro is the prefix and the new word is macroeconomics. Cent, percent, scope, microscope, fix, prefix. That is totally go up with the heading. Tone, monotone, active, proactive, bus, omnibus, act, react, chute, parachute, then merge and submerge. So as you can see, a number of prefixes are there and you can make them, you can use them with the different words, and every time you will get a new word, but make sure that you are adding these letters at the beginning of the word. Now go with the next, that is the suffix. Now what is a suffix? This is the basic difference which I am going to tell you. Suffix are the letters that we put at the end of the word. As you can see, in the prefix, we use the letters at the beginning of the word, but in suffix, we are adding letters at the end of a word. And like the prefix, in suffix also, every time we get a new word. This is the basic difference between the prefix and the suffix, because in prefix we normally add the letters at the beginning. I'm repeating again. In prefix we use the letters at the beginning of the word, but in the suffix we use letters at the end of the word. But basic similarity that every time in prefix or suffix we are getting a new word. Like ION, this is the suffix. Decorate के साथ when we add this suffix we got decoration. ISM, Judaism. IST, florist. Measure, we add ment, then it would be measurement. Then inflate, able लगाकर, then inflatable. Wool, suffix en, woolen. Beauty plus suffix full, beautiful. Flaxy, then flexible. Green, greenish. Care, careless. Life, lifelike. Joyous, and then quell, some, by adding the suffix some. Few more examples like wreck, add the suffix age and the word would be wreckage. Import, ence, and the word would be importance. Assist, the suffix is ant and the word new is assistant. Refer, double E suffix, referee. Differ, suffix is ence and the word would be difference. Teach, suffix er, teacher. Bake, ery, bakery. Then waiter, waitress. Spoon, spoonful. Paint, painting, by adding suffix ing. Then decorate, ion, decoration. Jute, ism, Judaism. Floor, ist, florist. Measure plus meant, a new word, measurement is there. Few more examples like decoration, Judaism, florist, measurement, inflatable, woolen, beautiful, flexible, greenish, careless. As you can see that so many suffix are on the left side like ion, ism, ist, ment, able, en, ful, ible, ish, or less. So once again, I want to make this thing clear to you that in prefix we add a group of letters at the beginning, but in suffix we add a group of letters at the end of the word to get a new word every time. I hope this topic is clear to you, and please make sure that you are giving me your comments. And if you want to follow me on Insta and Facebook, you can also follow me. Thanks for watching. Thank you.